Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Lock Screen. This is where the glance feature lives. Once there, make sure your device is unlocked and you have permission to change system locking options. Tap Lock Screen to reveal options like Always on Display and Lock Screen widgets. These control what shows on the glance. Now, locate the specific entry labeled Glance or Lock Screen Glance. That's the control you will switch off in the next step. Once you're inside the lock screen pane, scroll to find Glance or Lock Screen Glance. Manufacturers may rename it, so scan for similar wording. Flip the toggle to off. If a confirmation appears, accept it so the system removes the overlay. Make sure to also check submenus like widgets or notifications if glance persists. After toggling off, lock and unlock the phone or do a quick restart to ensure the setting took effect and the glance no longer appears. To finish, lock the phone and inspect the screen. You should no longer see the glance view. If the feature remains, make sure any companion apps or themes aren't re-enabling it, then clear the cache or update lock screen system apps through settings. This often resolves stubborn behavior. If problems persist, reset lock screen preferences in settings. This preserves data but returns those options to defaults. One key tip: back up custom widgets before resetting so you can restore them afterwards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.